Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to wear your new 2017 Hibermate straight out of the box. I'm also going to show you how to assemble and disassemble the mask. And lastly, I'm going to show you how to adjust the tightness of the straps. So the first thing is that when you receive your new Hibermate, just grab the cups in each hand like this, and then you should be able to just pop it straight onto your head like that. The next thing is that with this new model, what we did was we introduced a new E-hook system. So this is a little plastic hook that hooks into a little loop on each side of the mask. So what we have is this bottom elastic strap, very high quality elastic straps. These are much higher qualities than any previous model that we've ever released. This can be threaded, one goes underneath through these two rails and these two rails, and it's a simple matter of just pushing that gently through each rail, and you'll see that it will come out the ends quite easily, and then just simply clipping straight back in to the mask like that. The next thing to do as well is obviously you need to adjust it so that it's just right for your personal preference on your head. So that's quite straightforward. What you do is you grab this little plastic clip and then you can tighten it by pulling on it and then just sort of pushing it, threading it through the loop there. Or you can loosen it going back the other way. And you can adjust each side, both top and bottom, okay? Just by doing exactly the same thing. So tightening that way and loosening that way. What I've hopefully been able to show you is how to adjust, how to wear it, and how to rethread as well.